Hello everyone and welcome in this first video of online free Dutch course. So in this video we're going to get to know each other. Ik ben Carina. I am. Ik ben. Ik ben Carina. I am Carina. Ik ben. Wie ben jij? Who are you? Wie ben jij? Ik ben Carina. Wat is jouw naam? What is your name? Wat is jouw naam? Mijn naam is Carina. My name is Carina. Wat is jouw naam? Mijn naam is Carina. When we meet, what can we say? Something as hi or hello. We say hoi, hoi, hello, hoi. And then when we leave, we say tot ziens. And during the day, we can say, for example, good morning, goedemorgen, goedemorgen. It's a little bit more not so common with French. With French, we say mostly like hoi, hello, hi. We say also hi, like in English. But a little bit more, polite. Not really polite, but we talk more for example, at work, at your boss at work or something. It's more common to say goedemorgen or to your colleagues, or goedemiddag, good afternoon, goedemiddag, goedemiddag. Then good evening, goedenavond, goedenavond. And we can say also good day during the whole day. It's not so strict. For example, from that time till that time you have to say good morning, and from that time to that time you have to say good evening. In Belgium, it's not strict. We can say good day the whole day. And we say then goedendag, goedendag. And when we leave, we say tot ziens, but we can also say see you later, tot later, tot later. But in Dutch, when we say tot later, it means that we will meet again the same day, within 5 minutes, for example, after the break, or in the evening. It is the same day. So when we say tot later, what means see you later, we will meet again the same day. If it's not the same day, then we say tot ziens. Tot ziens. It means see you. See you. And then we don't know exactly when we meet again. Tot ziens. We can also say, for example, see you tomorrow. Tot morgen. Tot morgen. Or see you next week. Tot volgende week. Tot volgende week. How do we ask, how is it going? Hoe gaat het? How are you? It's a free translation. It's more like, hoe gaat het? How is it going? It's how we ask it in Dutch. So, how is it going? Hoe gaat het? Het gaat goed. It goes nice. We don't say I am fine. We say it goes fine or nice. So, het gaat goed. Hoe gaat het? Het gaat goed. En met jou, and with you, and what about you? En met jou, met mij, gaat het ook goed. Met mij gaat het ook goed. ook means also. So I'm also fine. Met mij gaat het ook goed. So, we come to the end of this first free lesson. If you have any questions, write it in the comments below. And your homework from this lesson is introduce yourself with a full sentence or some few sentences in the comments below. For example, ik ben bla bla bla. Het gaat goed. Hoe gaat het? Mijn naam is. You can use different sentences. Just introduce yourself in Dutch language and I will correct the mistakes that you make. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. I will correct them. And so for now, I say tot ziens.